And welcome to TOPVEETFX once again, where we make trading simple. And thank God for last week on all the analysis that we did. We make a very good profit on all the analysis. And remember that this market is a reactive market. And when they say that market is a reactive market, it means news, politics, for nature, all manner of things can make the market to move in another direction. So that is why we always said that the market is a reactive market. And when something is a reactive market, we use a proactive control by approaching the market with a control of, if this market, if there's anything that is going to be reacting that will make the market to go against me, do not collect more than this from me and eat me out of the market. That is what we call proactive measure. Now, looking at the market this morning, based on what we have been looking at on BTC last week, we predicted that the market should come to this region and we look for buy opportunity, which is exactly what the market did to us. And this morning, we'll be looking at where is the region whereby we'll be looking for opportunity to make money in this market. As for me, I'll be looking at two regions in this market this morning, and I'll be looking for those opportunity to go bullish from those regions. And this number one region that I can see here right now is I'll be looking for BTC USD to come to 66,000 or to come to 64,000. Those are the two regions whereby I'll be looking for opportunity on buy direction. Remember, I always said that whenever we are trading this Forex market, always try to follow the direction of the trend. Looking at this market right now, we can see that bullish market is what is taking part right now. Looking at the momentum where they started and going to the top, that is where the bullish market is moving. And for us right now to look for any opportunity in this market, I'll be prepared that the market should move back to the price of 66,000 or 64,000. Those are the two regions whereby I'll look for my entry strategy on this BTC USD. So far, so good. I'll be looking for buy on BTC USD at the price of 66,000 or at the price of 64,000. Let's go straight to Euro JPY, excuse me. Let's go straight to Euro JPY. On Euro JPY, I could remember the last time we discussed on Euro JPY, I told us that the market dropped in three phases. They're giving us the first phase and they have dropped the second phase, and we are expecting them to give us the third phase, meaning that we should still be expecting sell opportunity on Euro JPY. I could remember when we predicted that we should be expecting a pullback to this region, and as we predicted it that we should be expecting a pullback to 173 or 173.50, we should look for sell opportunity on Euro JPY. Exactly as we predicted it, the market came to that region and it began to drop massively. And this morning, if I'm going to be giving any analysis on this Euro JPY, I'll be giving an analysis to still look for sell opportunity on Euro JPY. And if I'm going to be looking for any opportunity on Euro JPY, I'll be looking at this region to look for my sell opportunity, meaning that I'll be looking for my sell opportunity at 171.50. 171.50 is at the region whereby I'll be looking for sell opportunity in the market. On this Euro JPY, look for sell opportunity on Euro JPY, meaning that I'll be expecting a pullback to this price before they will drop it massively to 169.00 or 168.00 as our TP. So far, so good. On Euro JPY, I'm looking for sell opportunity on Euro JPY. Also, likewise, on GBP JPY, I'm still going to be looking for sell opportunity, like I predicted it last week, that we should look for sell opportunity all throughout last week, and that is exactly what the market did to us. And from this region, I'll be looking for a good sell opportunity also, which I'll be expecting the price to come back to this region of 203.550, 2050, 203.50. That is where I'll be looking for pullback on this market. We are going to be looking for a pullback on this market. Then expect our TP at 200. Expect our TP at 200. So far, sorry, 201. 201 is where we are going to be taking our TP for the next one. Like I said it, that the government of Japan, the Central Bank of Japan, they have intervened into their currency, giving their currency a good value. And that is why we are to still be expecting more of sell opportunity on GBP JPY. Also on Chef JPY, if I'm going to be analyzing on Chef JPY, without wasting much of my time, I'm still expecting a good sell opportunity on Chef JPY. I'm still expecting Chef JPY to still come down to the price of 175.00, 175.50, and also 173 or 174.00. That is where I'm expecting the market to drop down to. I'm still expecting a sell opportunity. If I'm going to be expecting a sell opportunity on this market, I'll be expecting sell opportunity at this region. That is where I'm going to be expecting it to happen at 177.00 or 177.50. 177.00 or at 177.50. That is where I'll be expecting this market to come to and drop massively. So that is meaning I'm expecting a pullback before there will be a continuation on the sell on Chef JPY. So far, so good. That is my decision on Chef JPY. Still look for more of sell opportunity in the market. Look for more of sell opportunity in the market. On GBP AUD, I could remember last week we discussed and I told us that with what we are seeing on the screen, we are seeing a bullish direction. And since we are seeing a bullish direction that the market is pushing towards the upward side, that we should gain our market in that direction. And I told us that for me to see that, I'm expecting the market to pull back to this region, and which is exactly where we predicted that we should be expecting the market to come to 1.9250, around this region that I boxed, and that is exactly where the market came to. And if I'm going to be doing anything also in this market again, I'm going to be expecting this market to give me a good sell opportunity to this region. That is where I'll be expecting the market to come to. I'll be expecting the market to retrace to the price of 1.9200. 1.9200 is where I'm expecting the market to retrace to, so that I will continue to look for my buy opportunity. And looking at the market, if I'm going to be looking at the market still shows me that there is still going to be a push up in the market, meaning that the market gave us a rise to the top and the market also dropped it, also gave us another rise, and I'm still expecting one more rise in the market. And with what I am looking at, I'm still going to be looking for GBP AUD to go on a bullish direction. So far so good. That is what I am seeing in this market this morning on GBP AUD. Go for buy opportunity and expect a retracement back to the price of 1.9300. 1.9300, that is where we should expect a pullback to. Expect it to come to this region. Then let's see if this market is still going to go upward direction more. So far so good. That is my decision. And like I always said, anytime you are doing when the market comes to where I predicted, once the market comes to those regions, always make sure that you see your entry pattern before you make any entry in the market. Entry pattern is very, very important in anything you are doing. What are the parameters that you see? Because that is exactly why you are a trader. And also always remember that you are in a reactive market. And once you are in a reactive market, you need a proactive measure, a proactive control to make your trading smooth. So far, so good. Let's go straight to AUDCHF. On AUDCHF, when we predicted last week, I told us that I'm expecting the market to drop down to this region, which is 0.6000, and the market came to 0.6000. And when the market came to 0.6000, we look at the market that the momentum that they used to drop to that price, it's a very strong momentum. And I told us that don't look for any buy opportunity yet. They are continuing to look for a buy sell opportunity, and that is exactly what the market did to us, and that is what we are still going to be looking at this morning on this particular pair. And if I'm going to be looking at where to look for a particular sell opportunity, I'll be looking for the market to come to the price of 0.5950. 0.5950. I'm expecting a pullback. There's going to be a pullback. Market don't just be flying and be flying and be flying. That expect a pullback, then look for more of sell opportunity in this market on AUDCHF. AUDCHF, still look for more of sell opportunity. And remember, the market is a reactive market, and when you are in a reactive market, use a proactive measure to attend to the market and make your own money and get out of the market. AUD CHF, I'm still looking for sell opportunity around 0.5950. Also on Euro AUD, what are the entry conditions? Okay, no problem. Go for learning and go for learning. Euro AUD, on Euro AUD, we can see clearly that the market last week I predicted that we should be expecting a pullback for the market to continue buying, and that is exactly what the market did last week, and we enjoyed a very good buy opportunity, a quality buy. Now, this morning, the question is, where should we be expecting a good, nice buy opportunity, because the market is still going on a bullish momentum? So where I'm expecting this to happen is, I'm expecting this buy opportunity to happen at this region. So I'm looking for a pullback to happen on this Euro AUD to the price of 0.6270. 0.6270, that is where I'm expecting a pullback to happen to. Once the market pull back to that region, I'll be expecting a bullish momentum. But let me tell you, there will definitely be a pullback on this Euro AUD. Euro AUD, expect a pullback to come to the price of 1.6250 or 1.6270. At that region, please look for buy opportunity. And remember, the market is a reactive market, and you need a proactive control in this market. So far, so good. When you get to those prices I mentioned, make sure that you study your entry pattern and make sure you enter in the market with your pattern. Also, AUD USD is the next pair we are looking at. On AUD USD, last week we predicted the market is going to drop, and the market dropped as we predicted it, and we are still looking for more of a good sell opportunity in the market. The market will come to 0.6650 or 0.6640, where we predicted that the market should get to before we will change our direction, and that is exactly what the market is doing right now. The question is, if I'm going to enjoy and if I'm going to join this train, where should I join this train that is dropping? And I'm still going to be waiting and be looking for that opportunity at this region. Looking at the market, I can see that the market has dropped massively, and I'll be looking for my opportunity to trade this market at two regions I'll be mentioning to us this morning. I'll be looking for opportunity at 0.6700. That is where I'll be looking for my sell opportunity in this market. I'll be looking for my sell opportunity, meaning that I'm expecting a pullback to this 0.6700, and I'm enjoying the market to sell to 0.6640. So that is what I can see in this AUD USD. We can see the momentum drop, then the drop it. I'm still expecting one more strong momentum to drop, and I'm expecting a sell opportunity on AUD USD to the price of 0.6640. And remember, this market is a reactive market. You need a proactive measure to follow this market, meaning that once they come to where we mentioned, if you don't see your entry pattern there, don't make your entry, and don't look for entry pattern before market gets to where we predicted. So far, so good. That is our decision on AUD USD. Look for sell opportunity at the price of 0.6700. At that region, look for sell opportunity. Also, likewise, we predicted USD JPY last week. We said USD JPY, we should look for good sell opportunity in the market. And exactly like what we predicted on other JPY pairs, that is exactly what's also happened on USD JPY. Like I said, that the government of Japan is intervening into their value of their currency. They pump in money to make the value of the currency to be stronger. And that is the reason why we are seeing all this massive drop. We have seen the first wave, the second phase, and we are expecting the third phase to happen. To remember that I said we should expect a pullback to the price of 158.50, and the market didn't come to that region before they start dropping it. And look at it, they have dropped massively. Who knows if they are still going to test that region massively? Who knows if they are still going to test that region? But for me, if I'm going to be looking for any entry, for now, I can't go against Japanese yen. I can never go against Japanese yen. That is my own decision, and your own decision may override my decision. But what I know is that I can never go against Japanese yen. And if I'm going to be looking for any entry opportunity, I'll be giving us a two entry opportunity. And my entry number one will be at 157.50, and entry number two will be at 158.50. Those are the two regions whereby I'll be looking for a good, nice opportunity to continue to enjoy my sell opportunity in this market. It's either the market should come to that price, 157.50, or let the price come to the region of 158.50. Those are the two opportunities I can see in this market on USD JPY. Remember, this market is a reactive market, and you need a proactive measure control to make sure you look for your entry, see our pattern at those regions that I mark for you. Once you don't see your pattern at those regions, please ignore the market. So far, so good on USD JPY. I'm still looking for more of good sell opportunity. Also on Euro USD, I can see on Euro USD last week that we took a buy opportunity to this region, and from this region, I showed us this massive divergence. I believe that many of you remember when I showed us this divergence, that with this divergence that I'm seeing, I know that this market wants to sell. And remember, I told you that until I see my pattern, I will not call out any trade for you people. And we went to 15 minutes time frame. We see a good, nice pattern. I said, you people can pick a sell from here with this pattern I've seen. And I explained to you those patterns, that one of the things you need to look at is look at your divergence at those prices. Is it coming out also at a lower time frame, not just only at the higher time frame? Because when you are using higher time frame to pick your entry, your stop loss will be wide and the margin will be very, very wide. And if you go to lower time frame, your stop loss, you can see the market, and to reduce your entry of and giving you a good tight stop loss. On this Euro USD, we can see that Euro USD has been on a upward direction. And for this Euro USD to be on a buy direction, if I'm talking a upward direction, meaning that on a bullish trend, that is what we can see that the market is doing. And let me tell you, we can see clearly that this market from here right now, look at this market, it has given us a first push to the top. The market gave us the first push to the top, it gave us the second push to the top, and it gave us the third push to the top, which means that they have completed the three levels that the market maker always make sure they do in the Forex market. And seeing that, it shows me that there's going to be a drop. That was another reason that I used to give us a sell opportunity on Thursday through Friday. So now on Wednesday through Friday, Wednesday, that is why I gave you on Wednesday and Thursday. Now let's look at this morning. Looking at this morning, I still believe that there is still more of strength on the Euro USD, that dollar will still further be weakened. And yesterday, another news was dropped, and one of my for my student dropped it in the group. That mentor, what do you see concerning this particular news that Biden is resigning, that he doesn't want to go for the presidential race again? And if I may decide, and if I am wrong, drop it in the comment section. If I am wrong about this analysis, you can drop it in the comment section. We can all brainstorm together. Looking at it, I will first of all come from this angle. Now, who is the running mate? Who is the person that is dragging the position, that has much power, that is we are looking at as the person that can emerge as the president? Many people are looking at Trump is very, very powerful. He's a good contender against Biden. And Trump is a good businessman. We all remember during the regime of Trump, the American dollar was so very, very powerful, to the point that when they go for break, they will pin the dollar down and nothing will shake dollar. You will just see that the market will just be ranging around that region. They peg it down. They will peg it at that particular price. And that shows that Trump is a good businessman. Now, if Trump is a good businessman, and the person that is seen as a strong contender against him is saying that he's resigning, he doesn't want to go for that race again, it means that dollar should be strong. Then another point I want us to see also is that I want us to see it from this angle, that whenever a government, whenever we have a government that is running in a particular nation, there are a lot of business tycoon, businessmen and women that would have tangled themselves again around that government. Meaning that, oh, we have President Tinubu, for example, right now in this position. There are a lot of businessmen that would have been rolling with the measures, with the laws that they placed down. Those laws that they placed down, they have already built their business around it, because every government comes with their own rules and regulations. So if Biden said he's going to resign, that thing may have effect negatively on dollar, because those businessmen need to begin to adjust. They will need to prepare to adjust to anyone that will be coming as the president, because it's not the person they have there before. And the person that you know before is better than the person that is coming new, that you don't know the laws or the rules and regulations that you will place down for the economy. And for that reason, I believe that dollar will still lose more strength. And what do you think? You can drop it in the comment section what you think about it. And for that reason, I'll be looking for more of buy opportunity on Euro USD. That is my decision. Looking at the analysis, looking at the direction of the market, I can see that the market is moving in a upward direction. And if the market is moving in an upward direction, what and where are the places I can look for my opportunity in the market? I can look for my opportunity around this region. So meaning that I'm going to be looking for a buy. I'm going to be looking for a buy, and this buy, my TP will be around this region, which is 1.0950. 1.0950 will be my TP. So we are still going to be looking for buy opportunity on Euro USD. Euro USD, I'm going to look for buy opportunity around this region where the market is presently at this 1.0870. I'm going to be looking for buy opportunity here where this market is right now. I'll be looking for buy opportunity. Let's go straight to lower time frame to also confirm what we are talking about. Looking at the lower time frame, we can see that the market has given us a very strong divergence from this region, and the market is still coming. Let's see if this market can create another divergence around this region where I placed the line. Let's see if this market can give us another divergence after this drop. Let's see if this market can still give us more of divergence in this market. If the market gave us a good divergence here, that means what I predicted, 1.0870, they would have come to that region. Then we will all look for a good, nice buy opportunity from there. So far, so good. Remember, we are in a market that is a reactive market, and we need a proactive control to trade this market. So far, so good. That is my own decision on this Euro USD. Still look for more of buy opportunity, and that is my decision for now on this pair, and that is what I want to trade on this pair. Also, NZD USD, we also predicted the same thing on NZD USD that we should be looking. And you can remember, like I said, that among all the USD pairs, that every other currency that is pegged around USD, those currency, every other one are more stronger. But we can see that NZD USD is very, very weak presently. If you go to any NZD pairs, you will see that NZD is struggling with other pairs. And that for that reason, that is the more reason why you are seeing more of this drop like that on this NZD. And if you look at it, NZD is showing us that the market is still going downward. But I believe that there should be a pullback on this NZD to the price of 0.6050, 0.6050 or 0.6030. Look for a pullback there, and let's see if the market will still drop and come, because this is the last TP I gave to us. I'm expecting NZD USD to come to is 0.59 and 0.5910. That is my final TP whereby I'm expecting NZD USD to drop to. So far, so good. That is my decision. Remember, the market is a reactive market. Make sure you follow it with a proactive control. Also, USD card, I can remember I predicted USD card to look for buy opportunity on USD card, and that is exactly what the market is still playing out since that that I analyzed it since Wednesday, we can see clearly that the market is going on a bullish direction, and we are still going to be looking for opportunity to see if this market, because I could remember I told us that this is where the market will come to, and I'm going to be looking for sell opportunity here. This morning, I'll be giving my analysis due to what I am expecting a pullback. I told us I'm expecting a strong pullback, and I have seen a strong pullback here, and I can tell you vividly well that we should look for sell opportunity around this region. Look for sell opportunity around this region, and if we are selling, our TP1 is going to be 1.3700, and TP2 will be at the price of 1.3670, and TP3 will be at 1.3620. So far, so good. That is my own decision on USD CAD. On GBP USD also, remember the last time we predicted the market, I told us I'm expecting the market to come to this region, and exactly as we predicted it, to 1.2900. This is 1.2900. At this 1.2900, look for buy opportunity from this market. Look for buy opportunity on GBP USD. GBP USD, we are going to be looking for buy opportunity at this region. Remember, always use a proactive control in a reactive market. This market is reactive to fundamental analysis, to news, to politics, to nature. Anything can happen that could make market for your analysis not to fall in line. But remember, proactive control is all you needed to be a good trader. Also, on USD CHF, we discussed on USD CHF, and the market is still showing us that it's still on a bearish direction, as we are seeing the market is going on a bearish direction. And for this reason, I told us that we should expect a pullback to the price of 0.8940 or 0.8950. That is exactly where I predicted that we should be expecting a pullback to, and I told us on Thursday that we should look for buy opportunity, and we are still holding that buy till we get to 0.8930 or 0.8950, where we'll be looking for sell opportunity this week on USD CAD. So that is exactly what we are expecting. We are still expecting more of sell opportunity in the downward direction. We are still expecting more of sell opportunity on USD CHF, meaning that expect a good, nice pullback. Those prices I mentioned to 0.8930 or 0.8950. Look for sell opportunity on USD CHF. Also, let's talk about gold. But before we talk about gold, if you love what I'm doing, please can you just take this hour and subscribe on our link. Go to our YouTube channel, tap on the YouTube. Under my TikTok profile, you will see my YouTube link there. Click on it and join. If any one of you have missed any analysis about this video, I'll be dropping it on YouTube so that you can go there and you can watch it on YouTube, and you will definitely enjoy yourself. This analysis is the analysis we are doing for the whole week. And from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we will be coming there. We will be coming to see if there's going to be any changes about what we analyze. That is why we always come on those days. But the main analysis is what we are doing right now, and it will be dropped on our YouTube channel. Follow us on YouTube channel. Turn up your notification bell so that whenever we drop video, you can always see. And also follow us on TikTok here, and make sure you turn up your bell notification so that you can receive whenever I'm coming up live. So far, so good. Looking at this market, I could remember we analyzed this gold. And when we analyze this gold, I told us that I'm expecting a sell of momentum on gold. And I could remember that I gave us this analysis, and we all made this entry at this edge at 2475. I could remember that is where we analyzed, and I told us that we should be expecting a sell opportunity. And I gave us the fourth TP at 2440. 440 that I'm expecting them to pull back from there. But however, they still got to that place on Thursday, and on Friday, I told us that with what I can see, the momentum will still continue, and I gave us this region. I marked this particular region for us that the market should come to, and I predicted 24 206 or 2400. I think that is where I predicted on Friday that we should be expecting. But now I can see that they have come to that region, and I'm expecting a bullish market right now. I'm expecting a buy market. That is what I am expecting, because I'm expecting this market to still continue in a bullish momentum. So who knows if the market will definitely drop this particular 2380 as their final bus stop before they will push it. But for me, I'm still going to be looking for my buy opportunity around this region. And this morning, I have taken a buy there, which I believe he has given a nice profit this morning. And I'm still expecting a buy opportunity. I need to see and look at what the market is really trying to speak to me. And I need to study it, which is the way I expect you to also look at your entry pattern. Once you don't see your good entry pattern, don't make any entry on gold. Gold, I'll be looking for buy opportunity. That is my decision on gold. And at this region where the market is right now, try and look for a buy opportunity where the market is right now. And also, let me look at where our TP1 can be. If I'm going to be looking for TP1, I'm going to be looking for my TP1 around this region. I'm going to be looking for my TP1. That means I'll be expecting the market to come to 2,420. 2,420. I'll be expecting TP1 there. Then I'll be expecting TP2 to come to 2,460. So far, so good. My decision on this gold this week is to look for a buy opportunity on gold. Look for buy opportunity on gold. That is my decision, and I celebrate every one of you. If you have any question you want to drop, you want to ask me, drop it in the comment section so that I can answer your question. Thank you for coming to TOPVEETFX, and subscribe to this channel to enjoy more of our video. And let me tell you, you are in a proactive market. If you are in a proactive market, if you are in a reactive market, you are in a reactive market, you are in a reactive market. And if you are in a reactive market, if I'm talking about something being reactive, meaning that you don't have power over it, it is the news. Because the reason why we don't have power over it is because news can come out from any part of the world of the currency you are trading, politics, news, nature, meaning that like tsunami or bomb explosion, anything can happen. Anything that happen that can affect this market. That is why we call it that it's a reactive market. And if something is a reactive market, you need a proactive control. So be very, very careful in this market, in this volatile market. I wish you best of trading week. Remain blessed till I come your way next time. God bless you. Bye for now.